Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here with another great vegan recipe for you. Today we're going to be making a vegan baked eggplant stick. Crowd loves it. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Yes, this is very similar to mozzarella sticks, but way healthier. And the original version of the recipe that I found in a cookbook said to deep fry them, and I try to avoid deep frying whenever possible. So I just bake them, and as long as you keep the oven temperature high, I think you can get them nice and crispy. You just have to cook them long enough. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Put breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning in a small bowl and stir to combine. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Use a vegetable peeler or paring knife to peel the eggplant. Then cut the eggplant into sticks. Put flour, non-dairy milk, breadcrumbs with the seasoning in 3 separate bowls in this order. Now we're going to coat the eggplant sticks. Roll the eggplant stick in the flour, dip it in the non-dairy milk, let the excess milk drip off, place it in the breadcrumb spice bowl, shake the bowl side to side until the stick is fully coated, place the coated stick on a plate, repeat the process for each stick. Here's what the coated eggplant sticks will look like. Put some parchment paper on a baking sheet and spray with a little oil. Put the eggplant sticks on the parchment paper and then spray them with a little oil. Bake for 25 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Turn sticks over, bake for another 10 minutes until crispy. We will make our sauce while the sticks are baking. Put some ketchup, sriracha, and vegan mayo in a bowl. Then stir to combine. When the sticks are crispy, remove them from the oven and put them on a plate. Lightly salt them. Congrats, you've just made vegan baked eggplant sticks. Delicious. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bon appetit.